Hello mga savings, welcome for another video. So ang di-discuss pala natin in this video is latest news about SeaBank, September 8, 2025. So kumbaga ano to, headline. So kumbaga nagkakagulo na sa Senate, nagkakagulo na sa Congress. Ito naman, pagdating sa bank, digital bank, rural bank, community, nagkakagulo rin kasi from SeaBank magiging Marybank na, rural bank. So safe pa ba yung account natin kay SeaBank kasi magkakaroon ng change management? All you need to know, i-explain natin yan in this video. And then kung may question kayo later, comment nyo lang. Sasagutin natin isa-isa. Kung interested ka sa ganitong content, this video is for you. So start na tayo. So, akala ko makukumpleto na yung kumbaga yung pangalan dito sa Pilipinas. May Land Bank na, may SeaBank, Airbank na lang ang kulang. Kaya lang, pinalitan naman ng Marybank. So, yon nakalagay. A new name, same trusted banking service. So, sinabi dito sa news nila, name lang yung magbabago. Pero, syempre, may management side na mangyayari dito. So, papasukin to ng Marybank, which is under SG. Ma-under tayo. Kung before, directly tayo, parent company natin, CC Limited. Ngayon, magiging under pa tayo Marybank, which is i-discuss ko rin later. So, focus lang tayo dito. So, dear valued customer, mabilisan lang to. I am pleased to share another exciting development effective July 31. So, makapansin nyo, effective July 31 pero September 8 lang in-announce, which is discuss ko rin yan later. Our registered corporate name is now Marybank Philippines Incorporated, a rural bank. This change is part of our integration into Marybank Singapore Private Limited Banking Group. Our shared mission of providing simple, reliable, and rewarding banking service. Siyempre, may i-adapt din pagdating sa management, pagdating sa ibang mga service. Medyo mas maraming service yung sa Marybank SG. So, ma-adapt yun ng Pilipinas in the future for sure. 6 to 1 year yan or 1 year and a half yung time frame nila dyan. So, please be assured that only our name is changing. You may continue access your bank account and use our product service as usual. Okay sa atin to basta hindi mo mawawala yung free transfer kahit ilang beses pa kayo mag-change name. Huwag nyo lang tatanggalin yung free transfer. And our dedicated team continues to serve you with care. You're always known. Never ako nagka-issue kay SeaBank. In the months ahead, we will introducing more update including a refresh app experience. So yun nga, clear yun na nilagay nila dito, magbabago yung app experience to reflect this transition. In the meantime, we will continue to communicate with you through our official SeaBank channel, yan, Facebook, website, LinkedIn ko nakita to. Please follow this page. Thank you for continuous trust and choosing us as your banking service. So medyo maraming loyalist si SeaBank dito sa Pilipinas. I think isa na ako dun. Isa ako sa unang customer siguro ng SeaBank. So nag-start din tong channel natin way back 3 years ago. So si SeaBank yung una nating mga ni-review. From 3 years ago, 2022 until now, wala tayo naging issue. So, bigay lang sila ng bigay ng daily. SeaBank rin yung nag-start ng daily interest credit. So, napakaraming natuto mag-ipon dahil dito, whether maliit yung ipon mo o malaki. So, medyo nakakalungkot na magbabago kasi parang iconic na yung name na SeaBank Philippines eh. So, naging Marybank na. Sabi ng iba, mas social daw kapag SeaBank kaysa Marybank, parang Marites daw eh. Marybank, Marites, di natin alam. So, ito, quick breakdown lang para di kayo malito. So Sea Limited is a conglomerate company. So, before si Sea Limited, dyan tayo directly reporting. So, Sea Limited, SeaBank Philippines. Ngayon, naging under tayo kay Marybank, Singapore-based digital bank under Sea Limited. So, naging under pa tayo kay Marybank. Of course, hindi naman pwedeng si SeaBank maging under niya si Marybank. So, ang ginawa siguro, para mapalaganap din yung branding ni Marybank sa Asia or Southeast Asia, so, change na yung name sa Philippines or may ibang reason pa. Of course, yung mga management ng SeaBank, may malaking changes dyan sa loob ng organization for sure. Pati employee for sure meron din. Yun lang para hindi kayo malito. So, under same umbrella pa rin. Nadagdagan lang tayo ng isa pang layer. Pero still, safe and secure pa rin yung SeaBank. And then, ito yung nakalagay sa LinkedIn nila. Starting July 31, so ito lang. Our customer may continue to access their account and use our product and service as usual. Our dedicated team. So this new chapter is a step forward in our mission. Of course, nagbago yung mother, kumbaga name, nagbago yung mga management. So, syempre, magbabago rin yung mission and vision. So, maraming changes na mangyari. Magiging ma-adapt tayo dyan kay Mary Bank na yan. And then, ito. So, yung iba nagtataka ba't September 8 in-announce. So, BSP in-approve siya April 21, 2025. So, kapag in-approve ng BSP, hindi pa yun ang endgame. I-approve pa siya ng SEC approval. So, yung SEC approval, ito yung sinasabi niya na July 2025. But of course, pagka-approve ng July, hindi yan agad-agad kasi may brand pa yan. Kumbaga may PR team pa si C-Bank, si Mary Bank. Paghahandaan pa nila yan, yung branding pa, bagong branding. So, approval kay C-Bank, approval kay Mary Bank, paka-approval pa kay C-Limited. So, pinaghandaan nila yan bago yung official. So, yung iba nagda-doubt, bakit late na? Of course, hindi yan agad-agad. Hindi pagkasabi ng SEC, of course, i-ready pa yung mga branding niyan, yung mga logo, website, yung mga letter na gamit nila, maraming changes na mangyayari. So, I think July, August, September, almost 1 to 1.5 months bago sa official announcement is okay na yan. Enough na yan. So, hindi naman siya late. So, yun. Salamat sa panonood mga ka-saving. So, safe pa rin ba si Digital Bank? Yung question natin dito. Yes, safe pa rin naman siya. Nag-change lang ng pangalan. Although maraming changes na mangyayari. Yung iba nga sinasabi, mas social yung C-Bank, but pinalitan pa. Well, let's see in the future. Gagawa ko update kung may update pa sa susunod. For now, wala tayo pa yung gano'ng info. So, yun lang mga ka-savings. Salamat sa panonood. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.